Okay, let's not waste any time getting this bad boy out of the box. Come on, let's get it out. Let's go. I don't know if we should be doing this. First things first. Ho, 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 ho. Here it comes. Ho, 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 ho. There it is. Check this out, guys. Look at them tires. Big, huge, monstrous gold rims. All right, here it is, guys, straight out of the box. You got 4 wheels. These are Chevron style treads with gold Bigfoot rims. There it is, guys. Check it out. Super nice. It's got the gold parts on it. It's gold bumper. Got the gold stub axles and gold 17mm hex. The only truck in the world that will come with gold shocks, gold front bumper. Check out the paint or the body work. Check that out, guys. 50th Bigfoot, 50 years. Gold front bumper. So I don't want to bore everybody because we've all seen the Traxxas 50th Bigfoot truck. We've already seen them. We've already seen them being bashed. We've already seen them being held in a box for a month or two and then they're getting pulled out. Oh, by the way, what number is this Bigfoot? Let me tell you guys. This one is number 733 of 1975. So hold your horses, guys, because we're going to do something super special. Wow, this thing is awesome. Completely different than your stock X-Maxx cage, X-Maxx body. Man, it feels beefier. Look at that, guys. It has like, I don't know what you call this portion of the body right here. It's like the retro, I don't even know what it's called. The latch is different. It has different washers and protectors on the top, bed protectors. Let's see what's inside the body. Oh, wow. And then we got the truck itself. Let's go ahead and check it out up close, guys. So I was kind of wondering, the 50th does come with, I thought it did. I thought I was seeing things, but I wasn't sure, but it does come with a black aluminum caps. Check that out, guys. There's the gold shocks. Comes with aluminum perches. Comes with the gold. Check that out. We got the gold heat sink. And then if you look down there again, right down there in the bottom, see if we can focus that. It's telling you right there, we got 733 of 1975. One other thing I noticed is this truck does have, well, there it is. Check that out. Nice, sexy gold front and rear bumpers, as we showed you. And then the ESC, guys, something's not normal about this ESC. It's hard to see because, well, it is. So the ESC is actually black too. You cannot find any of these gold parts or the black ESC on the Traxxas website. They are not available. You might be able to find some parts on Jenny's RC, but from what I've seen before, they are going for 2 arms and 2 human legs. A lot of money, guys. You don't want to spend $500 on a pair of shocks, although they could be worth it. Well, this is the last time, guys, you're going to see this truck in this form because, well, don't blink because the next time it's going to be fully upgraded, fully 7075 aluminum gold parts, guys. Yes, you heard me right. We're going to upgrade this truck in fully gold knuckles, hubs, rear hubs, all of it. We're going to use the PnwX brace / ESC caddy. Guys, stay tuned. We're going to fully build the diffs, gold cases. Guys, I cannot wait. So stay tuned. If you want to see more, And yeah, guys, we got like 4 builds going on, so I cannot even put together words right now. I'm super stoked. So if you do like the video, please subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and well, stay tuned for more. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the breakdown of this awesome, amazing truck. So a couple of things before I end the video. I just want to say, well, you cannot buy this truck really anymore. You cannot just go out and buy the bumper support. You can't buy the rear bumpers. You can't buy the front bumpers. You can't buy the shocks. You can't buy the shock collars. Because you can't even buy the stub axles. You can't buy any of it. But the real question, is it worth it? Well, if you don't plan on driving the truck, I would say, yeah, it is definitely worth it. Otherwise, it's just another Traxxas X-Maxx. There's really nothing special about it. Maybe the front bumpers and the rear bumpers, they do seem super beefy. That is for sure. The shocks, super nice. The gold heatsink, super awesome. All the gold parts, super nice. And then the little plaque down below, I will show you guys that in a different video. You can actually unscrew it. Pretty awesome. So stay tuned. We're gonna break this truck down, and I'm going to show you guys the build all the way from the beginning to the end. And first thing we're going to do is break it all the way down, and we're going to dye the chassis black. So stay tuned for that. Dyeing the chassis, and we're going to do a full gold wrap. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one, and good night.